Your porch is the first thing people see, and in summer 2026, it's becoming one of the most styled spaces in the entire home. Imagine walking up to a porch filled with fresh planters, cozy seating, soft lighting, and that effortless summer vibe. The best part, you don't need a huge space or budget, just the right ideas.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are summer porch decorations trending in 2026? In 2026, outdoor living is becoming just as important as indoor design. People are turning porches into relaxing extensions of their home, a place to unwind, entertain, and enjoy fresh air. Love outdoor living? Like this, if porch upgrades win. What plants work best for summer porch decor? Flowers like petunias, geraniums, and marigolds thrive in summer. Greenery like ferns or small shrubs adds depth and keeps the space feeling fresh. Plants chosen? Like this if blooms matter. What makes a summer porch truly inviting? It's the feeling it creates. A space where you can relax, enjoy the outdoors, and feel at home. The right decor simply enhances that experience. Feeling the vibe? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What lighting works best for outdoor porches? String lights, lanterns, and solar lights create a warm glow. Lighting transforms the porch into a cozy space, especially in the evening. Lighting ready? Like this if ambiance matters. What DIY decor ideas work for a summer porch? DIY wreaths, painted planters, lanterns, and small decorative signs are great additions. These personal touches make your porch feel unique and welcoming. DIY decor? Like this, if creativity wins. What colors work best for summer porch decor? Soft neutrals like beige and white, along with sage green, light blue, and warm wood tones are trending. Pops of yellow or coral can add a cheerful summer touch. Palette ready? Like this, if fresh colors win. What are the most popular summer porch styles for 2026? Trending styles include modern farmhouse, coastal chic, boho outdoor, and minimalist greenery. Setups. Each style focuses on comfort, natural textures, and a calm, inviting atmosphere. Style chosen? Like this, if summer vibes matter. How can I use planters to transform my porch? Planters are one of the easiest ways to elevate your porch. Use a mix of sizes and heights with flowers, herbs, or greenery to create a layered, natural look. Planters ready? Like this, if greenery wins. How can I make my porch look high-end on a budget? Focus on a few strong elements like planters and seating. Keeping the design clean and coordinated makes the space look more expensive. Budget smart? Like this, if simple luxury wins. How can I make my porch feel modern in 2026? Use neutral tones, organic layouts, and minimal decor. Clean lines and intentional styling are key trends this year. Modern porch? Like this, if fresh design wins. How can I keep my porch decor organized and clutter-free? Stick to a theme and avoid overcrowding. Use storage benches or baskets to keep items tidy, while maintaining style. Clutter-free porch, like this, if clean design wins. How can I create a cozy seating area? Add a bench, chairs, or a small sofa with cushions and throws. Even a compact setup can create a relaxing corner, perfect for mornings or evenings. Seating ready? Like this, if comfort wins. How can I decorate a small apartment porch? Use compact seating, vertical planters, and minimal decor to maximize limited space beautifully. Small porch? Like this, if smart styling wins. What rug styles work best for summer porches? Outdoor rugs with neutral patterns or coastal-inspired textures instantly warm up the space. Rug ready? Like this if cozy details win. How can I make my porch feel more relaxing? Use calming colors, soft lighting, and comfortable seating to create a peaceful outdoor retreat. Relaxing setup, like this, if calm vibes win. What outdoor accessories add the most charm? Lanterns, hanging baskets, and decorative cushions create a relaxed and welcoming summer vibe. Accessories added, like this if charm matters. Summer porch decoration ideas in 2026 are all about creating a space that feels fresh, cozy, and inviting. With simple DIY touches, beautiful planters, and thoughtful design, your porch can become your favorite spot all season long. If you want your home to feel summer ready, start with your porch, like this video, and come back for more 2026 home inspiration.